I'm going to be making some face cleanser. You can make a batch that would last you 2 years and be done. This whole process would probably take me about 10 to 12 minutes. Not hard at all, and you can modify the ingredients any way that you want. Chamomile is really calming for the skin, so I like to put chamomile in this recipe. Paracress is like Botox. It's going to help smooth and relax the muscles, which is different than Botox in the fact that Botox paralyzes the muscle, whereas this is just going to relax it. Red raspberry seed oil has some SPF protection, so a lot of antioxidants. This is in the long run going to protect your skin because the surface oil, your natural sebum, is locking in moisture. It also helps support your healthy skin microbiome, which in the long run prevents the bacteria that causes acne and other bacteria from growing on your skin.